Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials now: charged Go Air Pop and a Bluetooth device. Open the case to power the buds. If they don't wake, press and hold the touch area for 3-5 seconds. Once the LEDs flash white or blue, the buds enter pairing mode. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and visible. You'll see the Jlab Go Air Pop appear in available devices. Tap it to start pairing. This immediate action triggers the one-step connection the headset uses, so act promptly. You should now select Jlab Go Air Pop from your Bluetooth menu. Once chosen, the device exchanges keys and finalizes the link. If a prompt appears, accept it or enter 0000 when required. Rarely you'll see a permissions request for contacts or media. Allow to get full functionality. After pairing, make sure both audio and call profiles show as connected so you get sound and microphone access. If media is silent, change the phone's output to the finish by testing audio and microphone with a short track or call. You want to confirm left and right channels and mic clarity. Once done, adjust fit and touch controls in the Jlab app if desired. If pairing fails, reset by putting both buds in the case, closing it, waiting 10 seconds, then reopening and repeating pairing. If persistent issues occur, factory reset by holding both touch areas for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash red and white. Then try pairing again. This clears conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.